you're videotaping again, huh? Okay.
Yes.
Sometimes I wonder if, like, all our problems I should explain on camera.
Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, anak. Today is Monday. Is it Monday?
Yes, Monday.
Why you know it's Monday?
Because I know. And then today is not my lucky day.
Why is it?
Good. Yeah.
Aren't you lucky you wake up this morning healthy and smiling? Did you even say thank you, God, for another opportunity, another life?
I did.
You did?
You said that God has the power to do anything, right?
Yes, of course.
So you can revive people.
Alright guys, welcome to another vlog. So, we just woke up and we're here at the table. We're gonna have breakfast. Daddy is having coffee in our room and I have my coffee here. And the boys have milk.
Today's Monday, right?
Dad.
Yes.
Well, tomorrow's my least favorite day.
Why?
Tuesday.
Because
Because today you don't get the new week vibe, and then Wednesday you get the almost half of the week vibe. You're almost done with the week, and then Thursday you don't get the almost yay, tomorrow's Friday, and then you don't get the Friday.
Yeah, online class is much more boring than the real one. But we have to do it anyway.
yeah. Yes, you're right. So, they have soup, guys. Malunggay soup. Let me grab a soup for them. So, they're having chicken sausage and tuna with egg. Let me grab malunggay soup for these two.
Still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us.
Hey guys, we left the house and we are in our morning grind, Monday morning grind. So,
Oh, you're videotaping again, huh? Okay.
yes. Ow! Sorry guys.
Sometimes I wonder if, like, all our problems I should explain on camera. Or should I just
We should, because it's a tip for those people that are doing the same what we are doing.
Okay. Oh, okay. Let me tell them about the current problem this morning.
Yeah, problem after problem, guys. Oh, excuse the road is so bumpy.
So we're trying to get our ECC processed for the farm.
Yeah. So just to give you a heads up, we are processing all the
paperwork.
All the paperworks. Yes. So currently, while we are doing some development, we are also
Same time at processing.
yes, in parallel.
Well, the processing requires that what's called a zoning certificate, that the zoning is okay for your development. So of course ours is okay, it's agriculture.
Right.
So the issue is that the zoning certificate is based on whatever the description in the title is for the location of the property.
Correct.
Well, for some reason, our title is in a barangay.
It's in a different barangay. So for you to understand, guys, why it's happening, it's because our property is right at the border of 2 barangays.
So what they say is that the title came from a mother title, and then the mother title at one time was bigger
than the
child title.
Right.
You could.
Right.
And the mother title, the more the property was in the other barangay. So when they issued a different title when they did the subdivision, they never changed the location.
Right.
So now our title is different than what our actual location is for the barangays. So our tax declaration has a different barangay. So when you go to do the processing, it makes it a big problem.
Right, guys. So we have to correct every documents if we are going to submit to each offices.
All the government offices.
Yes. And then sometimes, so right now, the problem that we are having, so the problem that we are having right now is that, so in the town, in our municipality, they have the zoning office, and they also have the, what do you call the tax declaration office?
That's the
baby?
tax assessor.
Tax assessor's office. So the tax assessor's office, of course, they will base it on the what's that? The baby title? Is that what you call it?
No, what they do is the tax assessors actually come out and do a survey, and so from the survey they know they make a determination
That our property.
where the taxes go.
Yeah.
So they don't base anything on title. The only one that bases on the title is the zoning.
Zoning.
So the 2 offices can't agree to where the property is located. Now, when we do the survey, we're actually in the tax assessor. It is definitely within the tax assessor area within the different barangay that's different from the title.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what we're having trouble with. So you can't really get anything processed because it doesn't match.
Right. There's discrepancies.
And then to get it fixed, you got to go to court
Right.
to change the title, and that takes years.
We are lucky because our mayor is so good, and the
hopefully-
municipality.
Well, hopefully everybody could come to an agreement,
Right.
and so that we could not have to worry about all this problems. We have enough problems as it is with having just like minor, something so minor just makes it a big deal.
So we left the house, expecting that we can fix this today in the morning before coming here in the farm, but
I thought I was just gonna go to the zoning officer
yeah,
and hand him the
and let him edit
let him fix it.
edit the barangay, but no, it doesn't
Not gonna
work
like
that way. So right now we are waiting for a call. So yeah, it's going to be a waiting problem. So we're here at the farm na. Hey guys, oh, there is a new heart. Nagbunga na naman yung saging natin dito sa ating front yard.
Had a few kids, bought a new house, promised you heaven, but it never did work out. Got a new job, moved uptown. I bought you everything, you never questioned why.
Guys, we are going to see the improvement of the greenhouse. This guy here wants me to check and look at the greenhouse today. He's so proud of himself.
Well, it's been a while. I thought that greenhouse would never get done. And it's only a few days away, and
Yeah.
it's pretty much the structure is 100%. Except for
100% or 99?
probably 95,
Or
95%.
95%. Alright, yeah.
Inyo balik hindi makiamang maganda. Oh, gago yun. Uy, inyo. Inyo balik ito kay ama. Uy, gago yun. Balik ito kay ama.
This time I waited for a season where everything felt right, and all the different phases and the reasons to make it all worthwhile.
Ayaw. Okay tayo.
Well, I know the plastic it blocks the UV thing,
Yeah.
so no sunburn.
Had a few kids, bought a new house, promised you heaven, but it never did work out. Got a new job and moved uptown. I bought you everything you never questioned.
Alright guys, since nandito tayo sa area, let's take a look on the progress on our bodega, our warehouse. And for those who do not know, this bodega has a one-bedroom house connected to it. So this is going to be called the B house. So ito yung entry natin. And right on the pagpasok mo, ito yung maging living area, and then that's the kitchen area with the exit door and high ceiling. So meron tayong insulation, proper insulation, and naka-order na tayo ng mga window glasses guys, and meron na tayong doors and door jambs, and this is the door going to the CR and into the room. So this is the CR. As you can see, may nakaabang na ng mga pipes. So the plumbing is ready. So tiles na lang kulang dyan and some finishings. And this one is the door going to our storage. And right here, ito yung door going to the bedroom. So, one bedroom lang ito guys, kasi parang ano lang naman ito, farmhouse natin. So, there in this area, dito natin i-install ang ating built-in cabinets. Right? So, kailangan lang ng finishings, and then tiles, and then some windows.
All this time I waited for a
It's already 5 in the afternoon. So, oh, update. How about our the problem this morning? Did we have an update on that?
Well, we did. We had to talk to the city,
Yeah.
and the city will take the survey
Okay.
and then also take the certification from the tax assessor,
Okay, so that's solved.
and then they will
They're taking the action.
yeah, they're taking action.
Okay. All right. So yeah, that's a good news, guys. We have that taken care of. Let's hope you enjoy this vlog, and we're gonna see you on our next one. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit and like. Bye. See you, baby.
Oh, bye.